Oh, cat. I've been wanting to talk to you. Hey.
Wow.
Making coffee in the morning with Mr. Cat in his suit. You know what his powers is? Wondering what he does for a living, huh? He spilled it. Yeah. Yeah. He's so cute. He's so kawaii.
Wow.
Oh.
No, Steve's on that. Talk to him.
Oh, thank you.
That's your lifesaver.
Thank you, Mr. Cat. What did you put in this? Alright. Tastes a bit weird, but it's fine.
Report coming in from the refinery.